Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create automatic discounts on Shopify. This is a powerful way to incentivize purchases without requiring customers to enter coupon codes at checkout, making the buying process smoother and potentially boosting your conversion rates. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once there, log in to your account using your credentials. You'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard where you manage all aspects of your store. Now, look over to the left side panel of your dashboard. You'll see various menu options for managing your store. Click on Discounts. This section is where you'll control all your promotional offers and discount strategies. Once you're in the Discounts section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Create Discount. Click on it to begin setting up your new automatic discount. You'll now be presented with different discount types. For this tutorial, click on Amount of Products. This option allows you to offer a discount on specific products or collections, which is perfect for targeted promotions. Next, you'll see a section labeled Method. Click on Automatic Discount. This is the key feature that makes your discount apply automatically at checkout, without customers needing to remember or enter a code. Then, you'll need to input a title for your discount, something like Discount 26. This title is for your internal reference, so make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it later. Moving down, you'll find the Discount Value section. Here you can choose between percentage or fixed amount. Let's select percentage for this example and set it to 5%. This means customers will receive a 5% discount on qualifying items. Now comes the important part of targeting your discount. Under Applies to, select specific collections. This lets you choose which product collections qualify for the discount. Click Browse to view your collections, select the ones you want to include, and then click Add. This ensures the discount only applies to products you've strategically chosen. You'll also notice options to edit the eligibility. You can set this to all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers. This flexibility allows you to tailor your promotions to different audience groups based on your marketing strategy. Additionally, you can configure the minimum purchase requirements. Choose from No Minimum Requirements, Minimum Purchase Amount, or Minimum Quantity of items. These options help you control when the discount activates, which can be useful for encouraging larger orders. Under Combinations, select Product Discounts. This determines how this automatic discount will interact with other discounts you might have running simultaneously on your store. Finally, use the Calendar tool to select a start date for your discount. If you want your discount to end on a specific date, check the checkbox for Set End Date and choose when you'd like the promotion to conclude. This gives you complete control over your promotional timeline. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Save at the top of the page. Your automatic discount is now live and will start applying to qualifying purchases based on the parameters you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.